Hello everyone. So, it's been a while since I've had this book out. And for my second cool down video of the month, I'm trying to find the recipe in here, because it's not mine. I'm trying this keto lemon popsicle. There's the nutritional things. Now, normally I'd say this is what I need, but this time I want to say I'm only making half a recipe, and I decided not to list first I need to zest this lemon, but I decided not to type out the recipe in the description because I don't own the recipe, so you can either buy the book and get it, or pause it at the front or where I showed it, or just follow what I do. Now I need to juice the lemon. And I'm going to cover the whole thing with my hand, but I'm using my fingers to try and strain out the seeds. This is a pretty juicy lemon. So I need the lemon juice and the lemon zest. Full recipe calls for 2 lemons and 2 tablespoons of the sweetener I can't pronounce. I also need 2 cups of water. And basically I just throw everything into this pot until the sugar dissolves. It's not sugar. This is low carb. It's not sugar. And just mix around. Now I have to admit, I don't know if I did something wrong when I was doing this. If I was supposed to let it boil, it didn't say to. But it seemed to separate when I froze them. Now it needs to cool to room temperature, else it'll, melt in popsicle molds. Here are the molds I bought. I'll try and find them and link these in the description. Just take all the tops out. And I'm going to use a funnel to get the stuff in here. What do you call this, liquid? Now mine only filled 5 of these, and it was a half recipe. It's supposed to make 12. And here's where I realized my hand was blocking everything, like usual when I film. I don't think you can really see it going in anyway. Okay. And this one I decided I just poured straight from the pot because there wasn't enough left to. Okay, I cleaned it up, put the lids on. I realized after eating one I should have filled them up a little more. Okay, and take the last one out since it's empty, and into the freezer. I end up leaving them overnight. You notice one's gone. I ate it. I wanted to try them. It's weird. If you lick them, they're really sour. You have to dip them. Have to dip them in warm water to get them to release. But if you lick them, they're really sour. But if you bite them, it tastes like I'm covering the whole. There we go. I don't know if you can see, but all the lemons I see them went to the top or the bottom. They're sour when you lick them, but when you bite them, they taste like watered down lemonade. Thanks for watching.